Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got for you a box of the glory of Team Rocket. This is a one-part counter to our English Destined Rivals, the other being Heatwave Arena. Don't forget, by the way, the 30th Destined Rivals does drop. I just wanted to go ahead and post a couple videos of me opening up this box. So through the days to come before the release date, we'll have some more good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy, and enjoy the hits I get. Take it easy, guys. See y'all next time.